Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a Cardstock Add-on, Pattern Paper Add-on, and an Embellishment Add-on. This allows you to have more product for each one of the 4 collections in the Flavors of the Month. Let's clear this off and take a closer look at each one of the 3 add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the Cardstock Add-on. And this add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So there'll be 1 of one color and 2 of another. I leave the pattern paper here so you can see how well it coordinates. So if you enjoy working with cardstock to do backgrounds or die cutting or matting your photos and stuff, then you'll definitely want to check this out. So first up, for Doodlebug My Happy Place, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Romance and 2 sheets of Spearmint. For the Jen Hatfield Live and Let Grow collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of Yukon Gold and 2 sheets of Coastal. Then for Maggie Holmes Round Trip is 1 sheet of Blush and 2 sheets of Purple Pansies. So all my purple girls out there, here you go. We have a collection with purple and extra purple cardstock. For the final collection, Simple Stories America the Beautiful, you'll get 1 sheet of Aqua Tint and 2 sheets of Maraschino. Next up is the Patterned Paper Add-on. This is one of my favorites. You get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not duplicates of anything that's in the Flavors of the Month. These are additional patterned papers. So starting with Doodlebug Design My Happy Place, you'll get this sheet, Love Grows Here, which is rows vertically of different succulents and flowers in their little pots. So cute. The back is a 2-toned green with a leaf print. This one is called Hello Sunshine, and it's a plaid with all of the different colors in this collection. The back is a white polka dot on yellow. For Jen Hatfield's Live and Let Grow, we have this beautiful floral print. This one's a little bit larger floral on that dark blue. The back is a grid design in the gold and pink. You get a full branding strip of the pattern on the back, just a little bit smaller print. This paper called Picnic Basket, which is a floral and a smaller print on that dark blue. And the back is a blue gingham. Again, full branding strip of those flowers, but only in the smaller print. Those make great borders on pages and your projects. For Maggie Holmes Round Trip, we have this one called On the Road, and it's just different kind of road trip words. Hello, love this, wonder, so fun, on the road, best day. And all of the different colors colored in. The back is a star print with pink and white on the gold. Then we have this one that has all of the little travel logos and stickers that you might see. Super cute. Paris, Australia, Amsterdam, Berlin, Athens, arrival, departure, adventure. The back is a star print on the aqua. Then for Simple Stories, America the Beautiful, we have the Elements 2 paper, which is the cut-aparts. So we have some 2x2, 4x4s, a 4x6, and then some vertical 3x4s. So this is fun. You have lots of different shapes and sizes. Of course, you can fussy cut some of these for embellishments. That would be awesome. The back is a gold star print. And then we have another plaid with the red and the blue and that cream. And this paisley print on the back. I just love this collection. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. So be sure to get that added on if you want more additional pattern papers. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the Embellishment Add-on. With the Embellishment Add-on, you're going to receive more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with the Doodlebug My Happy Place, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun and have a ton of product on them. There's always borders, well, not always, but there's a floral border a rickrack border and stripe, a little scalloped one, and a curly Q, and then a black scallop down here. Lots of words for titles, subtitles. We have word labels, lots of little small icons that you can sprinkle in. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey and my happy place. So super cute. Love the colors in that collection. For Jen Hatfield's Live and Let It Grow, you're going to get half a pack of the foam thickers. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I received. Again, just lots and lots of options there, and those wonderful foam thickers that we all love. Then from the Maggie Holmes Round Trip collection, you're going to get half a pack of the die cut pieces. So again, these will vary, but this is what I received. Lots of florals, some little labels, icons, and then some words that you could build your titles from. Super cute. And then the Simple Stories America the Beautiful. You're going to get one of the page pieces. So this is all of the pieces in this kit. They give you an example of how to create a double page layout and embellish them. So it's super cute and easy. Lots of inspiration there. But this is all of the die cut pieces in that pack. So they always give you a really large title and icons all the way down to small little sprinkles. So that is a look at your Embellishment Add-on kit. One more look at all three add-ons. Be sure to check out the full reveal video of the flavors of the month, and there'll be a link here, as well as our other kit, the Double Shot, and our Shots of Life kit. We'd love to have you come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and join in on some challenges. The design team has tons of inspiration for you, as well as sharing your work. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.